So we'll be doing the nature center. Right there.
Are you having fun?
How many times we've been to this park?
About a little over 5 times.
5 times, and we've never been to the nature center. So it says it's open today. Hopefully we still caught them open. You can see the mountain lion. No drinks. Thank you. Oh, just don't touch, okay?
You can touch any except the bears, the deer.
Look at this big frog right here. We're gonna go step by step. Let's go on the other side, Mama. Look, what is this right here, Bless?
What is that?
He is the symbol of the what? He's symbol of what?
He's the symbol of the United States of America.
The United States of America. Look, look. A bald eagle has a fish right there. And you see? James Irvine. This is the mountain lion. Peacocks. Look at the little birdie up here, look.
Mr. Bluebird.
Bless, don't touch, okay? Wow, look at that. Looks amazing. You saw the snake? Look. The coyote. The nature center. Says not to touch. Okay. So you can come and check out the nature center. Boat pedal, bike pedal. Come to the nature center and explore a little bit of God's creation. Look at the owls. The hawks. Different stones. Look, that's the one we saw over there.
Oh, it's the poppy.
The what's it called? Matiliha poppy.
Matiliha poppy.
You see that? It's a poppy. We saw a poppy.
You did. You gotta dig it.
Let's see. I don't think you take it out.
You just gotta make sure you uncover it from all the sand. This is a tree's protective armor.
Lift up to reveal.
What is it? Oh, okay, the tree bark. Oh, that's an owl foot. Live oak. Tree bark. Cat's paw. Yeah.
To hunt deer. Don't slam it. It says this bone is shed and regrown each year. The deer antler. This predator's large eyes help it hunt in the dark. The owl. Oh, the mountain lion.
It's the skull? Oh, they took it.
Yeah, they took it. Just press gently. Got the Mexican flag. Okay. What's in here?
We have a raccoon and a
Oh,
possum.
look, raccoons, guys.
Ooh, we got a coyote.
Look at this one, guys.
Coyote.
Look at this one. I think it's a bobcat, no? What is it?
I think so. Oh, there's a
I like the little bridge.
Oh,
It's a coyote.
she's pretty.
what's pretty?
The coyote. Oh, you got it.
Look, let's go over here. Come. Look at all this. This is war, Papa. Look, Faith. Bless.
Look at the hawks.
Wait, yeah, I seen the hawks.
This is a red-tailed hawk, Cooper's hawk, American custom.
Look, I have a question for Bless and Faith. Bless. Wait, Faith. Bless, who is that man right there?
Abraham Lincoln.
What's his name?
Abraham Lincoln.
That's Abraham Lincoln. He started the war. He freed the what?
He freed the people.
Okay. Look, there was war. Look at that. That's what happened 18. Oh, let's go back. Let's go back in time, babe. Look. It has time. Look, it says 5,000 BC, the local Indians. They were the Native Americans. Look, you see? Native American village.
Hey, look, now at the museum. Mom,
Yeah.
now at the museum.
That's how it was. Look at their homes.
Yeah, teepee.
Native Americans. Read it to us, Faith.
It says Native Americans lived in this area for more than
7,000.
7,000 years before their first contact with European explorers. Their coastal plain and foothill environment was rich in natural resources necessary for food, tools, shelter, and other needs. Native cultures involved other centuries. At times, one group may have replaced another, bringing new customs and a different language. The late historical period just before the Spanish arrived in the 16th century is known best.
Okay, look at this. Good. Okay, guys, come. Okay, look at this one. It says religion played a major role in this early Americans' lives. Religious leaders decided to be the best times to hunt game, harvest plants, huh? Just like today. Come, Faith. Look at this one. 1542. It says Cabrillo discovers California. 1769, Mission San Diego. Mission San Gabriel. 1846, look, U.S. at war with Mexico. There was a war at 1846, 1849, 1850, and then the 1861 was the American Civil War. Look. Look at all this right here. The theater entrance. They have a small theater. Look at this. Nature Center, y'all. Irvine Regional Park. Look, guys. There's a theater here. Let's learn. Look. Look at the bicycle. Let's listen. Let's listen about the park. You can sit in the theater and just listen.
Serving as a World War II Army post and backdrop for Hollywood movies, Irvine Park hosted many official gatherings and momentous occasions in Orange County's history,
Look.
including celebrations of its own. In 1992, celebrations for its 95th anniversary had live musical performances, classic cars, war reenactments, and plenty of family-friendly activities. On October 4th, 1997,
Hey, pay attention. Pay attention about the park.
to mark the park's centennial birthday, which featured pig races, live music, an antique car show, fishing derby, and war reenactments. The park unveiled a replica of its original entrance archway, along with a statue of James Irvine II. Today, Irvine Regional Park is more than 3 times its original size and receives well over 1 million visitors each year.
Jeez.
Spanning 495 acres in Santiago Canyon, Irvine Regional Park offers modern park amenities while preserving its distinguished historical past.
Nice. Fishing, boat, bike, boat
Go
paddle,
for a hike,
hiking,
or have a picnic with family and friends. The park has 6 playgrounds,
6 playgrounds.
softball fields, horseshoe pits, equestrian trails,
Look at
and a
that,
lake
guys.
that offers fishing and paddleboat rentals. Whether you choose to
Horse.
go horseback riding, learn about the many animals at the OC Zoo, or go for a train ride at Irvine Park Railroad, there is truly something for everyone at Irvine Regional Park.
What do you guys think?
First County Park, Irvine Regional Park is at the heart of the OC Park system. Listed on the National Register of Historic Places,
Want to keep
the
listening?
park helped establish the county's role in conserving and protecting precious natural resources in this area. Today, OC Parks is proud to continue serving the stewards of these beautiful spaces so that they may be preserved and enjoyed for generations to come. Starting with Irvine Regional Park's 160 acres, OC Parks now operates approximately 60,000 acres of parks, beaches, and historical facilities in the County of Orange. Happy Quasquicentennial 125th anniversary to Irvine Regional Park.
Yay. So there it is. And this is the bear. You guys didn't see the bear?
Oh, it's weird.
Pregúntale que watch when they close. Wait, guys, come. Ready? Put it down. Put it down, Papa.